This is a video I'm going to make on how I used to trade back in that of 2020 and 2023, and that is using small cap stocks on steroids. And of course, trading very dangerously. I went long with a whole bunch of them in 2020, and that was pretty much the bottom of the market. But I'd just like to show you these few stocks right here and just why I wouldn't buy them. So, I mean, these stocks are all moving up, but they're trending very dangerously. So, just like to show you. First one right there. And of course, all the insiders' information. It's also gone up 156% in 1 year, which is a little crazy. 38% undervalued, but of course, there's all the risks. And I can see why my brain was tripping out so bad trading all this stuff, because it was information overload and I just had so many things on the go with these things. Here's another one that's on the list. And it's also that of 47% overvalued. So if it was overvalued, I would buy this in the fear and greed department when it's in fear. And I did a lot of that. I just realized what I did way back when. And I had no idea what I was doing, honestly. But now, after doing this for a couple of years, I get the hang of this stuff. And of course, all the risks involved. Like, there's more high risks than anything else. And these are the stocks that are really, really doing good in the stock market. And something happened to this one. Interesting. I'll get back to that one again. Anyway, here's another one that's gone up 169% in the last year. And of course, all the risk factors. These stocks are like that of the one that I absolutely killed it with, and that was Nilly, Surge Metals, back in 2023. It went from like 7 cents to like $1.60 in a very short time. And of course, the last one on the list is 215% overvalued. I gotta get myself a better phone. That's really crazy. Again, what's more, that would be one I would buy when the stock market is extreme fear. And of course, all the risks involved. Yeah, wow. I've liked the idea of making stock choices on here with Simply Wall Street. There is a link down below in the description. You can click it, and of course, when you click on that link, you get 30 days for free. After that 30 days is also $250 per year. And this is just information overload with Simply Wall Street. I've been using it for the last couple of months, and it's been a very good decision for going long in stocks. And of course, if you decide to buy that, then I get a commission. That would be nice, very nice. And I will be making more videos on that, both penny stocks and stocks I am going along with. And right now I'm just going to go through a whole bunch of penny stocks and seeing if some of these are actually worth the while long term to actually buy. So with all that said, I will try to make a top 3 penny stocks you actually buy for a long video. Anyway, have yourselves a very good day. Check out that link below in the description on that Simply Wall Street. Again, once more, it's free for the first 30 days, after which it's $250 after that. Excellent information. Check out that my Fear and Greed Index videos and how I do the Fear and Greed Index and Simply Wall Street together. Have a good day. Subscribe for more. Check out my community page and I'm out the door. Ciao.